of One Piece called Planetfall. I feel like there's a missed opportunity here to be like, and let the sky fall. Okay. Continuing with the cover story at Wano. Oni Child Yamato and the Holy Inari Shrine Pilgrimage Volume 2. Oh, so this is... I don't know. Was that what the whole thing... I don't think that's what it was called last week. Or last chapter. Was that what the cover story was titled? I think it was just like a... Also, maybe these are... No, but it is Volume 2. Okay. Unless it's just the difference between the Viz translation and the... and this translation? Anyways, that's fine. I'm going to travel all over Wano just like Odin! Okay. That's pretty cute. So we're not... Maybe... Okay, so maybe the reason why it was different was because Oda was giving us that little tease and not really an explanation as to why we saw that Onigashima underwater? Huh. Okay. Interesting. Oh well. Continuing reading. Notes from Oda-san. I'm having trouble getting the cat meme music video out of my head. The one with the cat getting in trouble is too cute. I have no idea which cat meme video he's talking about. Was it one that went viral in Japan or something? Did it go viral globally? I must have missed it. Oh well. Black lightning fills the sky. Ah! Huh? What in the world? Oh, they're arriving. They are arriving. Even Hoshi's like, It's just like when Saint Saturn arrived. Oh, I hope everyone's okay. Pew! Pew! That's so funny. Did an arrow just knock out an entire ship? Oh, I guess they're getting help from the Pacifistas as well. Pew! 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 And the giants are walking. The Holy Land of Marijois. Stella, what's that? The Room of Authority. Okay, you could see the portal. So everyone jumped through one portal. Interesting, because they came out of their own individual portals. This? Why, it's the answer to everyone's dreams. Vega coffee. With just a drop of it, you can transform a mug of water into a warm, delicious brew. So how many minutes did that kill? It wasn't exactly a strict deadline, but we still have 7 minutes. Okay, so only 3 minutes have passed. 3 minutes per chapter, huh? Oh, it's happening. It's happening. Zap, zap, zap. Huh? Let's start as scheduled. Even if they try to silence our broadcast, that amount of extra time won't be long enough to stop us. Oh, look at that, they're all appearing. Okay, what are these creatures? What are these creatures? I gotta let... Oh, so Sanji's watching and he's watching it happening. I gotta let Nami-san and the others know. There's 5 of you monsters? Oh, shoot, it's happening. Saint J. Garcia Saturn. The Gyuki. Okay. So, okay. So that's, we're getting the names as well. The Gyuki. Saint Marcus Mars. The Itsumade. Saint Top. What is that thing? It's like a... I can't tell what it is. Sort of looks like a bird head or like a deformed kangaroo head. But that's probably just the Aussie part of me speaking. The Itsumade. Okay. Once we finish reading, we're gonna have to search all of these up. Saint Topman, Walkuri, the Hoki. Okay, so this one does look like a pig. Which is something that I said in my last video. The pig. Yes, the pig. And actually, even St. Marcus Mars, yes, there was a bird. There was a bird-looking figure in those silhouettes. Could be a bird. The Hoki, St. Ethan Baron, Venus Juro, the Batkotsu. What is that? I cannot tell what that is. Oh, it could sort of look like a horse with the mouth. What is that? The Bokotsu. And I was just about to say, what is that? But it's the sandworm, or the sandworm. Saint Shepherd Jupiter, the sandworm. He's got a laboon head. Or is that the mouth? I cannot believe it. Sandworm. We are in June Peace. We are in June Peace, my friends. But I guess it makes sense actually, because Saint Jupiter is the god of agriculture. So worms are pretty good for agriculture, I think. But that was very unexpected. All right, but I have no idea what some of these things are. Thank God we have Sekaiichi on the call with us to let us know what the translations are. Supreme overseers of the world government, the 5 elder planets. Holy freaking crap. Holy freaking crap. Look at this panel. Okay, so that one is the bird. Itsumade is like a deranged bird. This panel is cold. You guys, this is... Oh! Holy freaking crap. That is insane. Look at that. They're giants. Saturn is the smallest out of them. What a freaking panel. Okay, so Itsumade is a bird, like some sort of like a really creepy predatory bird. The Hoki does look like a pig. It's got a pig nose. Okay, so it must be a boar, because it's got the tusks. Okay, we've got Saturn. Saturn's the smallest out of them. Oh, and then Venus Juro. What is... That's a skeleton. What is that? It sort of does look like a horse, but it's like a skeleton. Holy crap. And then the sandworm. Alright. The sandworm kind of looks a little cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of cute. But these designs go hard. Holy freaking crap. Look at the size disparity. Look at Luffy. See, this is what we were saying, right? Like, ever since Wano, we were like, what the hell? And I guess even in the Egghead arc, like, is Luffy going to lose that charm of the... like an underdog? But not look at him. What the heck? They're huge. Wow. Oh, look at them all attacking. No! Holy crap, look at them. It is definitely a horse. Yeah, it's like a skeletal horse. It's a skeletal horse. It's like, oh my god. Oh, look at them like all coming into the attack. Ah, look at him. He's like, oh. Dun. What is that? They sensed it? It's like the power coming from the forest. Dun. Oh, the pacifist is still at work, and oh, he sensed it. He like was able to. That's freaking crazy. Like it's like crazy observation haki. Oh. Okay, and also, what was his name? His name was Bakotsu. Bakotsu is transforming back into Ethan Baron, to Venus Juro. It's like, oh, holy shit, he's fast. Like, that is a centaur. Venus Juro is a skeletal centaur. What? That is sick. What a freaking panel. Like, shing. And is that a black blade? Does Venus Juro have a black blade? Oh my god. Holy crap, he was so fast that the other Marines couldn't even see. What? Something stopped the Pacifista. Holy crap, he just like tore into the cyborg's body like... Oh, holy freaking... What in God's name? He is tearing through the Pacifistas like... Shing, ching, ching, ching. And so fast that people cannot even see. Oh my god, I have goosebumps. Oh my god. Wow, that is cold. Venus Juro is cold. Did you see that? A large horse was spotted galloping down the coastline. A large horse? Pshing, pshing, shing, shing. The Pacifista on this end, F horse stopped. Holy freaking crap, on one. He's torn through them. What? Same here. Are those slash marks? Negative. They've been partially frozen. Oh my goodness. Okay. He's frozen them because he's like the death bringer. He brings death. It's like, oh, it's like Brooks. It's like Brooks' attack. What? So he hasn't cut through them. It's like he has slashed through them. His sword is like strong enough to like cut through them, but he hasn't actually cut them. It's like soul cut. Like a soul blade. Like a... Okay, so... Alright, give me the agendas, people. Is this Venus Juro versus Brooke? Wow. Nami-swan, Robin-chan, anyone come in? It's hard to explain what's going on down here. Oh, he's looking at the Itsumade flying above. Holy crap. It's... hard to explain what's going on down here, but we can't waste any more time. Get out of here. Huh? Sanji-kun, what's going on? She was heading to the northeast shore with the Straw Hat crew. Half the Pacifistas have already been neutralized. Whoever did it must be an ally. Holy freak. Look at the size of the Itsumari. Oh no, it's trying to get to the Labo phase. Oh, of course. Just focus on escaping. A literal monster is flying up there. You have to run now. Freeze. What's going on down there? Freeze? What's getting frozen? What is that? I can't tell what's going on down there. What's going? Oh, is that? Oh, that's Venus Duro just tearing through the Pacifistas. What a freaking panel, guys! This is another freaking. Oh, Oda went hard. Oda-san went hard. Okay, sorry, I missed some panels. It seems like sorry, I was scrolling too fast. Attention, all troops! This announcement is regarding the fallen Pacifista. The freezing of their neutral circuitry has rendered them temporarily paralyzed. Someone on our side did that? That solves the friendly fire problem. This is our chance! Eliminate Bonnie! She was heading to the northeast shore with the Straw Hat crew. Half the Pacifista have already been neutralized. Whoever did it must be an ally. Just focus on escaping. A literal monster is flying up there. You have to run now. Okay, look at oh my god, this is a freaking panel. Wow. That's pretty funny. So all of them, when they're in their creature forms, they only speak in creature language. Boom. Okay, did that tear through? It seems like the lava phase is still intact. The barrier, boom. Yeah, it seems like it's still intact. Oh, that's cold. Shing. Oh man, oh. Ching, 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 ching. Ice, ice, ice. Slither. Oh, the worm is on his way. Slither. Wow! Whoa! Oh, Saturn's still like, oh, he's like, limbs are like, his limb, oh, okay, I think that's like Luffy doing that though, making his limbs elastic. That's Luffy's job, right? Like, that's Luffy's doing, right? That's not Saturn, like, extending his arm. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the worm, so creepy. It's like, eee. Boom! Oh, it's dug underground. Yeah, look at Saturn's legs. It's like tentacles. It's digging like a worm. Sanji, Usopp here. We'll be sure to run, but Zoro and Jinbei aren't back yet. We've met up with Brook and Lilith and the ship's good to go. See? I told you it'd work out. Kick, 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 kick. Thanks to Usopp, not you. Is she kicking his crotch? It's like she's trying to kick up there into his crotch. What? It sounds like the... Where is Robin still? Sounds like the situation is dire. If he's still fighting, I'll drag him back by force. Oh my god, they are still fighting. Ching, ching, cling, cling, ching, cling. Whoosh. Lucci was able to deflect the sword. Isn't it tempting to go find the source of all this strong haki? It's cropping up everywhere. Sorry, Jinbei, it's all up to you. There they are. They're still at it. Damn, Mosshead. He's putting everyone in danger. What a burden. twinge. Zoro heard it. Zoro heard Sanji, he heard Sanji call him a burden. Look at that aura now. It's like the aura shift. Man, I can't wait to watch this animated. It's like things are changing. He's like, me? A burden? Oh shit, it's time to get serious. Spotted handgun! We haven't seen that attack before, I think. Spin. He's like, 3-sword style. She's like, what? Spotted leopard. I have a hunt. My man. What a duo. What a couple. You know, sometimes you just need your boyfriend to give you that extra push. Isn't that the meme when your boyfriend is your number one supporter? All it took. You know, these two have been fighting for how many chapters now? How many freaking months? And then all it takes is Sanji to be like, what a burden. He's like, all right, fine, I'll take it seriously. Spotted leopard. Have a hunt. Like, have a hunt? Like, have a hunt? Look at that, Lucci. My man. Oh, that is cold. What? That is another freaking panel. Another freaking panel. Man. What? Oh my god, the worms come up under him. Ah! He's eating him! Yeah! Oh, but look at that. The freaking giants are here. The giants are here. Did you see him? What a nostalgic face! A nostalgic face like how? Because he's in his Gear 5th form. Do they mean the actual Joy Boy? A dark belly is no place for someone like that. Let's go! Shh. Child of the soaring sun! So he's still laughing inside. He's like, that's alright. Kaido's done this to me before as well. This is easy work. Luffy's not even worried. Close one! They've sawed through him. No, it cannot be easy to just saw through a Gorosei like that. What? What? Hang on! The old-timer giants are here too? Gabba-ba-ba-ba! It's been too long, Straw Hat. We had to come and see you. The waiting around was getting unbearable. Let's go, Doggy and Broggy. Dory and Broggy. What did I say? Doggy. Dory and Broggy, let's go. Saving the sun god Nika with a sun god name attack. Child of the soaring sun. Cover and color spread next issue. Dun 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 dun. Oh my goodness. No break next week. No chapter break next week. Okay. Chapter notes. The title could be adapted as Falling Stars. Yeah, right. It's like, let the planets fall. Zoro's move references Kokoba Hahava, the coldest hell. Okay, so it's a hell theme. The coldest hell in Buddhism. The meaning boils down to leopard hunt, but he pronounces leopard as Madara, spotted, to play off of Lucci's move. So it was like an attack. It was like a response. Oh, it's like an instant response to Lucci's move. I see. That's nice. Nice. Dory and Broggy's move name means soaring sun, but the furigana makes it sound like child of the sun, making it almost seem like a continuation of the dialogue about darkness being no place for Luffy. Like Luffy is is a child of the sun. And the elder beast forms are all references to various mythical creatures. Okay, So a gyuki is a spider. Okay, gyuki. So that is the ushi-oni. So it must be another name for the ushi-oni. Giant cow-like face. They attack people on the beach. An itsumade is a creepy bird yokai with a human face and a snake-like body. Interesting. Okay. A hoki is a monstrous boar from Chinese folklore, famous for terrorizing the countryside. A bakotsu is a skeletal yokai that is said to be the spirit of a horse that burned to death. And the sandworm is a mythical serpent or a legless dragon that appears in numerous modern fantasy franchises, aka June. It could also be related to similar creatures in works like June. That's interesting that sandworm seems to be the only non-Japanese or like Asian inspired mythical creature that Oda has drawn from. I wonder why. Okay. I have never heard of these before, so let's search it up. But oh my goodness, what a freaking chapter.